Hey there, I wanted to give you an update on our week. So I left you hanging with this, I was telling you that we had this great big secret. And so the secret was that our son proposed to his girlfriend on Saturday. And we are super excited. We have 2 engaged children. We have no idea how that happened. But we are so excited for them. Major blessings. But here we were Thursday of last week. We had a plan and the rug got completely pulled out from under us. So the plan completely fell apart and we had to scramble for 2 days and get it together. Our son wasn't even in town, so we're trying to help him get it together. And we are so blessed. It came together beautifully on Saturday, and this beautiful space that I'm in is where the proposal happened. And so on Saturday, we hit the farmer's market, as we always do, and got some of our favorite things from our favorite people, and we came home with just a ton to use this week. And so because we were going to have this crazy Saturday, and our parents were here, well, Scott's parents were here, I threw the Mexican slow cooker chicken in the slow cooker on Saturday so that we could come home in this window of opportunity and have tacos. So we threw together tacos for dinner and it was fantastic because we did more celebrating Saturday night. And then Sunday, actually for lunch on Saturday, I did our Zoodles Gone Mediterranean, and I also made our chocolate chip pecan blondies for dessert because I knew we were gonna need dessert later. And so I pulled some of that chicken sausage out and used that in a breakfast casserole on Sunday morning. And so we enjoyed that with our parents. And then honestly, the weekend wore us out so much that we continued to just eat leftovers on Sunday night and Monday. But what we did on Monday was we actually made bacon flavored mushrooms from the mushrooms, a variety of mushrooms we had and some we got from the farmer's market. And we turned that into an EBLT and then a BLT salad for lunch on Monday. And we have a video about what we did for dinner on Monday night with okra and green beans that we got at the market. So you'll have to check that out. And then on Tuesday, we had our champion Zoom meetup with our Eat Real America champion members. And we did the mini eggplant pizzas. And we also did the summer farro salad. And I even, while I was roasting the mini eggplant pizzas, I did some extra mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and eggplant to turn that into our lunch on Tuesday with some leftover pasta. And it was fantastic. Much like the Mediterranean roasted eggplant pasta that we have on the website. That was my inspiration for that. And then on Wednesday night, we had dinner with friends and it was spectacular. We did blackened salmon tacos, and our friends were kind of blown away by those flavors. They had no idea tacos could taste like that. And then on Thursday, we actually went to church Thursday night. And so we came home, used that leftover chicken that was still hanging on, turned that into a taco salad. We also had shishito peppers. If you've never done shishito peppers, you should check out our recipe for blistered shishito peppers. They're amazing and addicting and one of our favorite things. And then today I wanted to come back and show you this beautiful place, and we are going to hit our favorite restaurant, Lottie, for a light dinner tonight, and then we are gonna start it all over and go to the farmer's market again tomorrow. So, and load up for next week. So stay tuned. I almost forgot to mention that today for lunch, it's Friday, so we were evaluating what was in the fridge and what needed to be used. And so we did a video to show you how we cleaned out the veggie drawer and made sure that we didn't have to throw any away. So we salvaged all that and turned it into a spectacular lunch of the loaded chicken salad and creamy cucumber soup. So you will have to check out that video as well.